You need to watch this if you love chasing waterfalls. Some could chase you right back. Don't let their beauty fool you. Here's where things can get deadly. Kicking off at number 10, we've got Multnomah Falls in Oregon. Breathtaking, but slippery rocks make it risky. Then there's Havasu Falls in Arizona, where flash floods are a real threat. Heading over to Yosemite, both Vernal and Nevada Falls have seen countless accidents from hikers ignoring warning signs. Don't forget Niagara Falls. Yes, the American side has claimed lives too. Others on the list: Palouse Falls in Washington, Rainbow Falls in North Carolina, and Keyterskill Falls in New York. Each spot is stunning, but always respect the power of nature. Stay safe and keep chasing those views.